Alright, ¿Qué paso amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome to the channel. We're taking the DRZ back to that little trail spot that I found the other day. Check out that video if you haven't. I almost went over the bars multiple times. I'm admittedly a newbie. That was a first time experience, but I had a complete blast. So I'm gonna go fill up the tank on the DRZ. We'll hit that little spot and take it easy. What's up, brah? John. Nice meeting you. Same dudes are here. Let's get the sesh underway. I definitely got to warm up a little bit. Got to learn how to hit these ruts. A little bit too fast on that one. Kind of getting the feel for that one. That one's easy peasy on this bike. That was sketch. I think the trick to this is just to show you, they have a pretty dope setup here. So here's like the biggest one, and that's actually a decent sized gap. I don't know, 15-20 footer. Not a whole lot of landing, so anyway, that's a dope gap. What else we got over here? This new one he sent today, I think, is actually a little bit gnarlier. It's about the same. Anyway, this kicker is the one that was really getting me last time because it really pops that back tire up, especially on a bigger bike like this. But it wasn't all that bad. This one here, you can basically roll over it. If you go too fast on that one, you're going right over to flat. Ooh. And then this one here is pretty fun. What I need to learn to do is kind of hit it with a little style. Alright, we got the 1 footer. Alright, I'm ready for a can, bro. Alright, can, here we go. There we go. Sketchy, but we'll take it. I think I'm starting to figure it out. I think I just need to be more consistent on the throttle. like that's a little bit better. Nope. Thanks, Ed. I don't know what is up with that. That thing's like a little bump. That's crazy. No way. You good, bro? Huh? You good?
Oh, yeah. What was your name again?
John.
Troy.
Right on, dude.
How's it going? I watched that video on your YouTube channel. It's not bad. I like it.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Right on, dude. Wait, that was a much better sesh. Much better sesh than the last time. Oh, what a blast. Alright, you guys, John's Moto Garage, day 2 at the dirt jump spot. And big shout out again to Ben and his crew for building those, maintaining them, and then allowing a non-local like myself to hit them up, because I remember what it was like back in the day building dirt jumps, and you show up and they've been like totally thrashed and destroyed. Yeah, gracias. But yeah, that's a lot of fun. Good times. Alright, you guys, John's Moto Garage will hit you up on the next one. And if you haven't already, smash the like button, subscribe. Nos vemos.